Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do the very quick unboxing of my Gemmy orchestra lights projection set with 5 spotlights and a speaker. We got it in the mail today and wasn't able to do the video, so you'll see it as soon as it's uploaded. So, but now I have the time. I arrived a day late, but that's okay. So I already broke the tape open. We can just go ahead and get right into it. And they couldn't have fit this any better. See? So I guess they built around it. So I can go ahead and I'm trying to show you the shipping label on that. So here is the projection set with 5. As you can see here, we have the 5 projectors there. LED projection set with 5 and a speaker. Has Bluetooth capability for indoor outdoor use. Easy setup. 6 built-in songs. Includes speaker. Syncs together and beat detection. And this is the 2019 version. This will be my 3rd speaker right in my collection. So I'll be missing the outdoor speaker and the tree duo right now. So I guess we can go and open up the box, but this is the back of it. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So this is actually, oh, whoa. So this is brand new in box, it looks like. Never been opened. That is awesome. So this is the way they packaged it to me. I'm not sure if Gemmy packaged it this way, but I assume they do, because this is like far brand new. So here are the 5 stakes. We'll make sure all of them are in there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Let's go and remove that. There's the 5 locking connectors for the stake and the quick start guides. Here is another piece of cardboard, and here is the actual projection set itself. I have this unit already. I already know what this unit is, but it comes before the other. I have the projection set with 3. So we can go and remove that. And I guess we go ahead and pull out the individual projections themselves. Don't ever do it that way. I do not recommend it. So then we're going to go ahead and put all this back in the package for now. Sorry they don't get lost. And then we'll go ahead and look at these units real quick. And we'll just go ahead and test it. So there are 2 units there. Go ahead and pull the plastic off of them. They actually look really good. I haven't seen this thing brand new in the box for a long time now. The one I have is all beat up. And I'm sure it does not help having this on the garage floor right now. So I'm just trying to be extra careful. Sorry, the camera is going out off the frame real quick. But we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a test. So I do have an extension cord somewhere right here. We'll go ahead and plug it in right here, and then I'll have to go hook up this end right here into a power supply, and we'll see the thing in action. So I do have the set of 3, and the set of 3, it works fine. But the main whirl of motion unit is starting to act all funny. So that's why I wanted to upgrade. Oh, there we go. There it is. Projection set with 5, and it's working. I didn't know what that humming was, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and try it out. So we're just gonna give one song test and then that is it. No idea what that was. Yeah, I think it's working fine, yeah. Alright, so that was a video on the projection set with 5 spotlights. Real quick, it was an unboxing and a quick test. And in the next video, I'm going to show the all songs video, showcasing every song that this thing can do, which is basically the same thing as the set of 3, and all orchestra-like products. Just I'll do an all songs video on the projection set with 5, because the programming is a little bit different because it has to have the extra projectors. So it is not basically a replica of the set of 3. It does its own different patterns than the set of 3. So I'm glad that I was able to upgrade to this unit, and I can't wait to use it. So that's what the set of 5 looks like brand new in the box. And I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. And before I go, I'll be doing the same thing I did with set 3. Take electrical tape and put it on these wires. I don't want to use twist ties because twist ties hurt my hands when I go to set these things up. So, and I'm hoping I don't have to extend the cables. I might have to do it for this projector over here, but it'll be very minimal. I hope I don't have to though. So that's it. Thank you for watching.